If you've ever wanted to rotate text in Photoshop quickly and cleanly, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it. Whether you're designing a thumbnail, creating a poster, or just trying to make your text fit a layout better, rotating text is one of those simple Photoshop skills that can instantly improve your design. And the best part is, there are two easy ways to do it. One is fast and visual, and the other is perfect when you need an exact angle. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first method is the free transform tool, and honestly, this is the fastest and most intuitive way to rotate text. To begin, open your project in Photoshop and go to the Layers panel in the bottom right. Click on the text layer you want to rotate. This step is important because Photoshop needs to know exactly which text layer you want to adjust. Once your text layer is selected, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard if you're on Windows or Command+T if you're on a Mac. This activates Free Transform, and you'll see a bounding box appear around your text. These handles will show you that the text is now ready to be resized, rotated, or transformed. Now move your mouse cursor just outside any of the corner handles. When you position it correctly, the cursor changes into a curved rotation arrow. That's your sign that Photoshop is ready to rotate the text. Click and drag your mouse to turn the text freely in any direction you want. This is great when you're adjusting text to match the angle of a design element or just making the layout look more dynamic. If you want to keep the movement more controlled, here's a very useful trick. Hold down the Shift key while you drag. That will snap the rotation into cleaner increments, making it easier to line things up neatly. This is especially useful if you want the text to stay perfectly aligned with other parts of your design. When you're happy with the angle, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the rotation. You can also click the check mark at the top of the screen to commit the change. And just like that, your text is rotated. Now let's move on to the second method, which is best when you need precision. Sometimes dragging text by hand is fine, but if you need an exact angle, Photoshop gives you a better way. This is especially helpful for professional layouts where alignment matters, or if you're matching text to a specific design angle. Again, select your text layer and press Ctrl+ to bring up Free Transform. Then look at the options bar at the very top of the screen. Here you'll find the angle field, usually showing a value like 0.00 degrees. Click inside that field and delete the current number. Now type in the exact angle you want. For example, if you want the text tilted 45 degrees, type 45. If you want it to stand vertically, type -90. Photoshop will rotate the text to that exact angle, which makes this method perfect for precise layouts and consistent design work. After entering the value, press Enter twice to lock everything in place. The first enter applies the transform, and the second confirms it, depending on how Photoshop is handling the action. Once that's done, your text will be rotated exactly how you wanted it. So to quickly recap, if you want speed and flexibility, use Free Transform and drag the text manually. If you want accuracy, type in the angle value from the options bar. Both methods are simple, both are useful, and once you know them, rotating text in Photoshop becomes a very quick part of your workflow. If this video helped you learn something new, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.